lecture that is something else we are gonna study today. Okay, so class, the thing is that we are going to study about role play. Okay, what is role play and how you can start doing a role play activity. Okay, role play activity क्या करती है? It is an speaking activity that makes yourself to speak in front of the people on the role of somebody else. ठीक है, just like that कि you think yourself into somebody else's shoes. ये एक ईडियम है जिसका मतलब ये है कि आप किसी और की जगह अपने आप को रखकर सोचते हैं. थिंक योर सेल्फ इन टू समबडी एल्स शूज़. ओके, और वैन यू स्टे इन योर शूज़ बट पुट योर सेल्फ इन टू एन इमेजनरी सिचुएशन. जैसे एक्टर्स होते हैं जो एक्टिंग कर रहे होते हैं, डिफरेंट रोल प्ले कर रहे होते हैं, मतलब कैरेक्टर्स वो लाइफ कैरेक्टर्स भी हो सकते हैं जिनको वो प्ले कर रहे हो, और या फिर इमेजनरी सिचुएशंस होती हैं जैसे कि बहुत सारी इमेजनरी और फैंटेसी वर्ल्ड की जो कहानियाँ हैं वो बनाई जाती हैं जब, तो उसमें ऐसे ही होता है. ठीक है, तो द रोल प्ले एक्टिविटी इज़ जस्ट लाइक दैट. अच्छा, ये पिक्चर मैंने लगाई है, इसको आप जब देखेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा व्हाट इज़ रोल प्ले. सो ही इज़ इन द गेटअप ऑफ एन इंजीनियर. ठीक है, ये आपको नज़र आ रहा है. शी इज़ अ काउगर्ल, शी इज़ अ कुक, शी इज़ अ डॉक्टर एंड he is a fireman. ठीक है, तो the thing is that कि they all are in the getup of somebody else. Okay, so that's why this is called the role play activity. Maybe in the schools and colleges you people have done it before, because these activities are much common in their schools and colleges. Okay, so class, first activity what we are going to do with the role play listening, that is all about the hotel reservation. ठीक है, topic आप देख लें hotel reservation, and after that I'm going to stop sharing my screen and you will be just listening to my voice. ठीक है, we have done this type of listening exercise before, but here we are going to you are going to listen to the dialogues, और आपने recognize करना है कि dialogues कैसे बोले जा रहे हैं and how you can answer them, the questions. ठीक है, अच्छा, तो everybody has watched that we are going to study something related with the hotel reservation. Now I am going to quit my screen, and after that I am going to okay, I am going to open my file, and that is here. Okay, so that is hotel reservation, okay, activity. Okay, so I'm going to start speaking the dialogues. You just need to listen to it. ठीक है, okay, we are finally here. Where is the reception counter? Welcome to the luxurious hotel. May I help you? We booked a room online. My name is Smooth, Joe is Smooth. Let me check the reservations. Okay, here it is, a deluxe king size room. Your room number is 302 on the 3rd floor. Thanks. By the way, we are hungry. Can you tell us how to get to a good restaurant nearby? Of course, just go outside, turn left and walk for 300 meters. You will come to Lee Fusion. Oh, I see. It's right here next to the subway. Take this brochure. It has a map of the local area, and here's your key card. Enjoy your stay. Thanks so much. We always stay here because of the wonderful service. Okay class, I'm going to repeat it again, and after that I will be asking you the questions. ठीक है, then you will be, yeah, I have stopped sharing the screen. That's why Mubashir, you cannot watch the screen, you just listen to my voice. Okay, this is the basic activity what I just want you to remember what I am speaking now. ठीक है, okay, again I'm going to start. Okay, we are finally here. Where is the reception counter? Welcome to the luxurious hotel. May I help you? We booked a room online. My name is Smooth, Joe Smooth. Let me check the reservations. Okay, here it is, a deluxe king size room. Your room number is 302 on the 3rd floor. Thanks. By the way, we are hungry. Can you tell us how to get to a good restaurant nearby? Of course, just go outside, turn left and walk for 300 meters. You will come to Lee Fusion. Oh, I see. It's right here next to the subway. Take this brochure. It has a map of the local area, and here's your key card. Enjoy your stay. Thanks so much. We always stare because of the wonderful service. Okay, class, now I'm going to open up your mics and I will be asking you the questions. And the first question is that what was the name of the hotel? Yes, class, what was
Luxury
the
hotel.
Luxury hotel.
Okay, luxurious
Luxury
hotel.
hotel.
Okay, so
Like,
next question is that what was the name of the person?
John Smith.
Joss Smooth. Joss.
Okay, why did he say it like smooth, Joe smooth? ऐसे नाम क्यों बताया उसने? Yes, anybody? Class, have you watched the movie
You say,
James
ma'am?
Bond? Have you watched the
James
movie
Bond.
James Bond? Okay, I'm going to tell you, class. The native English speakers, they have, the scenario of speaking, of telling their name, like they just tell first their, surname and after that their own name, just like that. कि इन्होंने बताया स्मूथ जो स्मूथ, इसी तरह आप जेम्स बॉन्ड में भी देखते हैं आई एम बॉन्ड जेम्स बॉन्ड, ठीक है. So just like that, they tell their surname first. That's why Joe Smooth also did that. ठीक है. After that, what was the room number of that person? Yeah, room number
302.
302. Can you
He's
tell me
on the upper floor.
On the third
on the
floor.
third floor? Good, good. Can you please tell me the restaurant name the receptionist told them? एक रेस्टोरेंट नेम बताया था रिसेप्शनिस्ट ने. या
Restaurant.
that was far away from that restaurant. Okay, I think 300 meters she told.
300.
Yeah. Okay, that was leaf fusion. Okay, what two things did the receptionist give them? दो चीजें दी थी, वो क्या थी? Last.
Brochure and card.
Brochure and the key card. Okay, so class, that is really good. Now we are going to do some exercises related with that. Acha, this is the exercise we are gonna do. Okay, so you are watching a power bank here. ठीक है. Word bank here. Power bank याद आ रहा है. ठीक है, word bank here, and we are going to fill out the dialogues here. जो अभी हमने पढ़े सुने ना, वो हम यहाँ पे fill करेंगे. Okay, so we are going to start. Okay, we are dash here. क्या था? We are dash here. यहाँ से देखें and just tell me. You can watch the pictures too. Yeah, so we are dash here. Okay, I told you, okay, we are finally here. Where is the dash counter?
Receptionist.
Reception counter. Okay, welcome to the luxurious hotel. और उससे आगे क्या कहा था receptionist ने?
May I help you?
May I help you? We dash a room dash.
Reserve.
No.
Which book the room?
We booked the room online. My name is Smooth, Joe Smooth. Let me check the dash. Let me check the dash.
Reservation.
Reservation. Okay, here it is, a dash king size room.
Hey, reserved.
Here it is a dash king size room. Yes.
Deluxe.
A deluxe king size room. Your room number is 302 on the third floor. Thanks. Thanks के बाद क्या कहा था उन्होंने? We are hungry. Can you tell us? By the way. Okay.
By the way.
Thanks. By the way, we are hungry. Can you tell us how to get to a good restaurant dash? Nearby. Good. Of course, just go
300 miles.
Just go
Just go right here.
outside, turn left and walk for 300 meters. You will dash to leaf fusion. यहाँ से देखें. You will
You shall
Local area.
you will come to
come to
leaf fusion. Oh, I see.
diffusion.
It's
Oh,
dash next
see,
to the
it's
subway.
it's
Located
dash next.
Nearby the subway.
It's
right there by the subway.
right
It's
here.
right here next. It's right here next to the subway. Take this dash
Brochure,
brochure. It has a map of the dash
hotel,
local area, and here's
local
your
area.
key
Key card.
dash key card. Enjoy your stay. Thanks so much. We always stay here because of the wonderful
Services.
Wonderful.
service. Okay, so class, we have
Services.
studied these dialogues. Okay, now
Okay.
two of you people start speaking these dialogues. One will be the receptionist and the other will be the person. Yes, who is going to do it first?
Can I?
Uzair and
As a guest.
okay,
May
Uzair
I?
and Laiba. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
Uzair,
we are
you.
finally here.
Okay.
Okay, we are finally here. Where is the reception counter?
Welcome to the luxurious hotel. May I help you?
We booked a room online. My name is Uzair Baloch.
Let me check your reservation. Okay, here it is a deluxe king size room. Your room number is 302 on the third floor.
Thanks. By the way, we are hungry. Can you tell us some good? Can you
Of
tell us
course.
how to get to a good restaurant nearby?
Of course, just go outside, turn left, and walk for 300 meters. You will come to Leaf Fusion.
Oh, I see. It's right here next to the subway.
Take this brochure. It has a map of the local area, and here's your key card. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much. We always here because of wonderful service.
Okay, very good. Who is going to do it next?
Ma'am, I can.
Okay, Abdul Munir and
May I?
Farwa.
Yes, miss.
Okay, start doing.
Okay, we are finally here. Yeah.
Abdul Munir, it's your dialogue.
Okay, we are finally. Yeah. Okay, we are finally here. Where is the reception counter?
Welcome to the luxurious hotel. May I help you?
We booked a room online. My name is Abdul Munir.
Let me check the reservation. Okay, here it is. Delicious king size room.
Your room number is
मैम नेम
302.
गलत बोला है।
Yeah,
room number
he
is-
told his own name. Okay, let him speak.
Your room
ये वाला
number
जो
is
डायलॉग है नेक्स्ट वाला ये भी आपका है फरवा. Your room number is 302 on the third floor.
Yes.
Yes,
One
Farwa,
room
start
number.
again. Let me check the
Okay.
reservations. Yep.
Your room number is 302 on the third floor.
Thanks. By the way, we are hungry. Can you tell us how to get to a good restaurant nearby?
Of course, just go outside, turn left, and walk for 300 meters. You will come to Leaf Fusion.
Oh, I see. It's right here next to the subway.
Take this picture. It has a map of the local area, and here your key card. Enjoy your stay.
Thanks so much. We always stay here because of the wonderful service.
Good. Okay. Next student.
Should I?
Umar and yes. Hurry up, class.
Can I be receptionist this time if no one else is willing?
Yes, Uzair, what are you saying?
I think that if no one else want to be receptionist, I can.
Okay, you can start.
Okay, we are here. Where's the reception counter?
Welcome to the luxurious hotel. May I help you?
Booked a room online. My name is Smooth, Joe Smooth.
Let me check the reservations. Okay, here it is. Deluxe king size room. Your new room number is 302 on the third floor.
Thanks. By the way, we are hungry. Can you tell us how to get a good restaurant nearby?
Of course, just go outside, turn left and walk for 300 meters. You will come to Lee Fusion.
Oh, I see. It's right next. It's right here next to the subway.
Take this brochure. It has map of the local area. And here is your key card. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you so much. We always stay here because of your wonderful services.
Okay,
Welcome.
really good. Next, students. Okay, the remaining students, I think they are just here to take class. उरूज फातिमा, सिद्राशा, समन, सायरा, सदफ, मैंने किसी की भी आवाज़ नहीं सुनी. I don't remember. Okay, so that is not a good practice. You will have to take part when you are, doing the practice here for your spoken English. Okay, so we have done this role play, this thing, activity, all related with the hotel reservation. Now we are going to do another exercise, okay, and that is the exercise related. Okay, you are going to choose one of the topic. Okay, you are watching 6 topics on the screen. Okay, so you are going to choose any one topic and you are going to write few dialogues, जैसे अभी हमने पढ़े ना, few dialogues on that topic, and after that you will be speaking those dialogues here in the class. Okay, for that exercise you are going to take 5 minutes. Okay, we will be right back after the 5 minutes, and after that you will be speaking up. Okay, do you understand? Any question?
No, it's okay, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to mute
Yeah,
myself.
ma'am,
And
I have one.
yeah,
These dialogues will be independently or we need a partner.
you can do it
Ma'am,
independently.
can you repeat, please?
Basically here are 6 topics. Okay, you will have to choose one topic and you will have to write few dialogues. ज़्यादा नहीं हो, 4-5 dialogues हो. Okay, you will have to create the scenario. अब it's your own creativity, आप उसे कैसे बनाते हैं, and after that you will have to write short dialogues and on that topic, and then you will be speaking up here in the class. Okay, just like if you are writing on cooking in the kitchen, so you can create the dialogues between you and your mom, or tea party में friends के साथ, supermarket में somebody else. Okay, so you are going to make it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we will be right back after 5 minutes. It's 7:34 और हम आएंगे 7:35 हो गए, हम आएंगे 7:40 पे. Okay, everybody is muted now. Yes, class. So have you all done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, you can start.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम ये पायरेट शिप्स इसका क्या मतलब है?
Pirate ships, आपने I think you watch them in the cartoons. वो जो समंदरी डाकू जो होते हैं ना उनको कहते हैं pirates. और उनका जो ship होता है that is called a pirate ship. जिनकी आँख पे एक वो नहीं होता. You know there are many films related with that too. Caribbean, I think कौन सी फिल्म है वो? पायरेट्स ऑफ द कैरिबियन सी. ओके. एंड और इसके अलावा बहुत सारे कार्टून्स में भी दिखते हैं ये. ओके. सो हु आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट? हु इज गोइंग टू स्टार्ट?
I
Yes.
am.
May I?
यस. यस.
Cooking in the kitchen. My topic is cooking in the kitchen.
ओके.
What's for dinner today? I am making pasta and a salad. Can I help? Sure, please chop some vegetables. Do we have all the ingredients for the pasta? Oh, we are missing some garlic. I will go to the store to get it. Okay, thanks. Hurry back.
Okay, that's really nice. Okay, any other student?
May I, miss?
Yes, Farwa.
I choose cooking in the kitchen. Mom, let's make the pancake. Yeah, I'll mix the batter. Good. Now whisk well. Done. Time to cook.
ये तो
Yes.
कुछ ज्यादा लंबा नहीं हो गया?
Sidra, please mute yourself. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes,
Good.
Farwa, you
Now
can
whisk
continue.
well. Done. Time to cook. Yes. It flip. Try it carefully. Oh, let's add honey and eat. So yummy.
Okay, that's good. Yes, class, who's next?
May I?
Ma'am.
Yes. Umair, I think you are saying na?
Yeah, ma'am. My topic is tea party.
Okay.
Me. Hi, Puzzle. Bro, let's go out for tea. Me. Okay, but I think we need to call Ahmed and Zubair. Puzzle, let's go. Oh, me. Okay, but I'll pay for it. Puzzle, okay. Me. Let's go and call Ahmed. Puzzle, okay. You call Zubair and ask him to come here. Me. Okay, bro. Puzzle, which hotel? Me. Dune Street Cafe. Puzzle, okay.
Okay.
Great.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Uruj.
My topic is cooking in the kitchen. Our
Okay.
kitchen is Sarah, and he is standing at the counter. Sarah, what's for dinner?
Uruj, please
Chicken,
fix your mic. Fix your mic, please. We cannot listen to you properly.
Okay, ma'am. My topic is cooking in the kitchen.
Okay.
Our kitchen is Sarah, and he is standing at the counter. Sarah, what's for dinner? Me, chicken parmesan with pasta. Sarah, boil the pasta. How long for the chicken? Me, 20 to 25 minutes. Sarah, start the timer. Can we chop veggies? Me, sure thing. Thanks.
Okay.
Can I? So we
Yes.
have-
Ma'am, may
Yes,
I?
Uzair. After that, you. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, Uzair.
It's a dialogue. It's a dialogue between host and a guest in a tea party.
Okay.
Our first narrator is host and second one is the guest. Welcome. I'm so glad you showed up here. Please join us. Thank you for inviting me. Everything looks great. I hope you like tea. Would you prefer some green tea or black tea? Green tea would be great. Thank you. Here we go. And please help yourself to have some cookies. These look delicious. Did you guys make them at home? Yes, we did. They are my mom's special recipe. I hope you like them. They are amazing. You must share the recipe with me. Of course, I'll get your return for you before you leave. That would be great. This is such a delightful afternoon. Thank you very much
Okay, really good.
for listening.
Yes, who was saying next?
Ma'am, may I?
Yes, Laima.
I choose a topic in the zoo.
Okay.
Listen to me, Kiara. We visited the zoo yesterday. Oh, really? That's nice. Tell me more about your visit. Here we saw lions in the cage and many monkeys jumping from one branch of tree to another. Yeah, it's so interesting to see the movement of monkeys. Nice to meet you.
Okay, good. Okay, class. Anybody
Ma'am, may
else?
I?
Okay, you
Yes,
can
ma'am, may
start.
I?
Ma'am, I have not written so lengthy.
Okay, no problem. I just want to listen to you, and we don't have still much time. So that's why. Okay, Faria, you can start.
Aisha, I am so glad you could make it to the tea party, Sarah. Sarah, thank you for inviting me, Aisha. Everything looks wonderful. These pastries are delicious.
Yes. Faria, are you speaking?
Since she is done, as
Sarah,
she
it's
already said.
exist. Speaking of trip, have you planned any new adventure? I
Okay, Faria, your voice is breaking. Okay, we cannot listen to you properly. Acha, there is another activity, but we don't have much time to do that. You can just reply me for this. Okay, that is the discussion that if you had a time machine, where would you like to travel then? Would you like to travel in the future or would you like to travel in the past? And why? Okay, you are going to reply me. Okay, who is going to do it first?
Abdul Munir.
Yes, Abdul Munir.
I want to go to Kashmir, and there is so good things we see. We are so happy there, and we see
Oh,
much more there.
okay.
I want to go to all the class students
Okay, but with the time
It's
machine,
the
you
together.
can
time
travel in
machine.
the
Time
time, not
machine.
for with the, just it is not just like a train that you can travel. Okay, it is a kind of time machine in which you
I
can travel to the past or the future.
I
Okay,
May
want
I?
to
Ma'am,
travel in
I want
future.
to
I have
travel
a
to
time machine.
past.
okay, in past, but when and where?
I want to go Makkah.
Okay, okay,
May I?
yes,
If I had a time machine, I want to go in my childhood.
okay. Acha class, look at
If
the
I had,
question. You will have to reply it like the question is written. If I had a time machine, I would. You are going to use would because this is an imaginary situation. Okay? Yes, you can.
if I had a time machine, I would like to travel to Egypt to see the constructions of pyramids.
Oh, very good. That's
Ma'am,
good.
if I had a time machine,
Hmm.
ma'am,
Okay.
if I had a time machine, I would like to travel to Makkah for the view of for what's the view of Makkah, and the people were so interesting in reading.
Okay.
May I?
I like history of Makkah.
Okay. Okay. Yes, you can start speaking.
If I had a time machine, I would like to travel Istanbul because I love this city and I love Turkey and their Istanbul mosques. I heard about many more, and I like to
So,
travel
do you want to travel in the past?
the future.
Okay, in the future. Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Yes.
If I have a time machine, I want to move in future.
I would like to
and
move in. Okay.
I would like to move in future and visit Switzerland country
Okay. Okay.
because I love that.
Okay, class. Nighat, do you want to say something? Okay, class. So we are moving towards our assignment today, and that is all about you are going to imagine yourself a politician or an actor of your own choice and craft some conversation in his or her style, copying specific things they use in speaking. Just like that, you can just copy the, Imran Khan or somebody else, the politician's style. Okay, you are going to write something in that style and speak up. स्टाइल वो होना चाहिए, इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग आपकी होनी चाहिए. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट? So that is a very interesting exercise related with the role play activity. So that's why I have given this to you. Do you have any questions?
Ma'am, can we use her speech?
Yes, you can use, but in English, not in Urdu.
Yes, ma'am. Is it
मैंने
English?
एक्सेंट मैटर करेगा एक्सेंट
Accent, no. Here we are going to just do the role play. Other than that, you will have to do the accent training in the last, I think, assignment. Or yeah, last assignment में करी थी ना हमने. Last assignment में आपने करनी थी वो. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
anything
One
else? Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am, we will submit this assignment on Facebook, or here we will practice it in this.
You will have to
YouTube.
submit all the assignments on Facebook.
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, it is time taken.
Time taken, but you will have to, get the time for learning something, na? If you give the time, then you will be practicing that
No,
thing
ma'am.
strong.
I recorded and going to upload it on the Facebook.
Okay, good. Okay, Hamid, assignment आपका ये है कि you will have to imagine yourself a politician or an actor, और उनके स्टाइल में एक कन्वर्सेशन आपने डिज़ाइन करनी है, जैसे अभी हमने डायलॉग्स किए थे ना, ऐसे ही. एंड आफ्टर दैट यू विल हैव टू स्पीक इट अप. स्टाइल वो होना चाहिए, बस इसको इंटरेस्टिंग बनाने के लिए रोल प्ले एक्टिविटीज जैसे. तो दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव गिवन दिस टू यू. ठीक है class, if you don't have any questions, I am going to quit this class. Okay, or if you have any, so you can ask me. Okay. Okay,
No,
so
ma'am.
class, yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. We don't have.
Okay, so thank you so much, class. Hopefully you enjoyed today's class. We will be meeting in our next lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.